Okay, have a blessed day to everyone. This is just Mom TV once again, and today I'm going to show you how to use my portable sewing machine because someone requested to redo my video or make another video without the music because he cannot understand well what I'm saying on that video. So let's go and let's do it together. This is best machine for the beginner. Hope you will like my video and hope you will subscribe. So this is my brother's sewing machine, and as you see, this is JS1410. It is a portable free arm sewing machines for the cuff sleeve, and I really like this machine. This is a very easy and very friendly for the beginners. So ayan, as you see. Okay, so LED lightning, so there's light, they have a built-in free arm, 4 step, so yun, so that is and they have a free DVD as well for for the tutorial, but usually I'm not using that because we have nga the YouTube. So these are the, you see they have a built-in accessories included like button hole, button sew, the zipper foot, and also built-in 14 stitches. So dito yung ito yung adjustment. So and then as you see for the flag, the cord. So ayan, very easy to connect. So, madali lang. It's easy to connect lang po. So, ayan. Pag nakita nyo yan, so that yung, yung hole, you just connect it to that. And then, meron siyang, ito yung kanyang pedal. So, it's connected with pedal, foot pedal. Yan, para sa ating paa. And then, also for the cord. Yeah. For the connection sa electricity. And then ayan po, I'm going to show you how to connect. So you just put it, yeah, and then ayan, then we will plug in the wire, and as you see, the on switch on is on the side, and then once it's on, yan, makikita nyo yung light, you will see the LED lightning for the bright and easy sewing. So ayan po, and then for our thread, so how to put the thread, so ipupull nyo lang yun sa top para so that we can put properly the thread. And then ayan, there is an instruction as well for how to put the thread. Yan, so makita yung instruction, especially there is an instruction on the top for the rewinder, how to rewind, yeah, put the thread on our bobbin case. So ayun, ilalagay nyo lang yun dyan, and then there is don't worry, there is instruction how to put it, but then you push, yeah, and then you step on the pedal. So while you rewind it, but don't worry, while you are on rewind, you're doing that you don't need to worry about the needle is not working that time. But as you push it back, so pag pinush back nyo siya, is to get that bobbin case on the top. So at that time, the needle will work. So you don't need to remove the needle from the thread from the needle. So because it won't work while we are doing the bobbin case, like the other machine, no, or like the speed machine. So now I'm going to put the thread on this to the needle. So don't worry, there is instruction. It's not hard to do it. So but I'm planning to make more videos for that, how to put the thread, how to use the needle, how to put the needle and everything in a separate videos. So this is the, the stitches, right, the adjustment. This is the backing for the lock, and this is where you adjust, that one on the top is where you adjust the tension of the thread, the sewing. And then ayan, then we try to sew, okay. And then then as you lift up, as you remove the fabric, you have to for you to easy to loosen, so no, you have to move the side. Sometimes it's hard to remove the thread. Don't pull it, don't force it. You have to move that on the side so that it's easy for you. It loosen the thread, so easy to remove. So now we're going to adjust. Yeah, you just adjust on that side for what stitches you want. You have to move it left and right, and then but make sure as you adjust it that the needle is up so that it won't make damage or the needle won't break, no. So ayan, tinry ko yung backing. So yun lang po, and that's all, and that is very easy, very friendly. I will make more videos for every different usage of this machine. Thank you so much, and God bless us all.